Hey, what's up guys? On this one we know that this is our shibaswap interface, as you can actually see here. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go through the shibaswap so that you can actually see how you can actually dig, so you can get some rewards. So you can actually earn some bone there, so you're just going to add some liquidity. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go straight into provide liquidity. So add liquidity here, then you're going to click there. So I have my ETH right there, so I'm going to choose another token right now. So I'm going to put some Shiba. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna approve. Okay, gonna approve there. Alright, so guys, it has happened, as you can actually see. So what we're going to see now, we're gonna go and check. Okay guys, so that's it guys, we're done. So we did it. So actually, in order to claim your dig returns, you must deposit your SSL shibaswap liquidity provider token into the allocated box at Wolf. Once SSLP token are deposited, returns are occurred in real time. Remember, you can claim 33% of your Wolf return weekly, but the remaining 67% will be time locked for 6 months. So as you can see there, so only 33% of your Wolf return weekly, but remaining 67% will be timed locked for 6 months. So that's what's going to happen, guys. For 6 months, everything of mine is going to be locked inside there. So as you can actually see there, okay, so we're gonna supply that. Right, that's it guys, it's done as you can see right now. So what we're going to see now, we're going to just wait and see. So we're just going to wait for confirmation on this side. I think this is going to take some time guys to actually finish, so I think this is going to end right here for this video. So make sure you watch on so that you can see as this account of mine grows. So make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one guys. Ciao ciao.